Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust gamma in ARK. To begin, gamma helps brighten the darker parts of your game screen without overexposing the already bright areas. This is especially useful for seeing in caves or at night. Simply open your in-game console by pressing the Tab key. Then type gamma followed by a number like gamma 2, 5 and press Enter. A value of 2, 5 is a great place to start. Finding your ideal gamma setting involves a bit of experimentation. You can try values typically ranging between 1 and 5. Remember, lower numbers will make your game darker, while higher numbers will significantly brighten the environment. The goal is to find a setting where you can comfortably see in very dark areas, such as deep caves, without making the daytime too washed out. Adjust until it feels right for you. It's important to know that your gamma settings will reset every time you exit the game. To make your preferred gamma permanent, you'll need to add it to your game's launch options. For Steam users, right-click ARK in your library, go to Properties, and then set Launch Options. Type gamma equals X, replacing X with your chosen numerical value, for example, gamma equals 2, 5. This ensures your setting loads automatically. Gamma can be a powerful tool for different situations. You might want to increase your gamma for better visibility during the game's night cycle, making it easier to navigate and spot dangers. Conversely, you could lower it during the day for a more realistic and immersive experience. Remember, you can quickly change these settings using the console at any time. Also, be aware of any server rules regarding gamma usage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.